In our industry, silence is the sound of losing money. Optimum profitability demands operations 24/7 for 330 days each year. And there is one partner to help you get there. With the thyssenkrupp Polysius Service portfolio, any plant can reach the point of optimum profitability. PolScan is the checking of the rotary kiln axis and various further measurements. Among other things, we detect the dimensions of the tires and supporting rollers. All measurements are made during plant operation and cause no downtime. Our precise analysis of the measurement results helps with the optimization of preventative maintenance and thus further reduces overall downtime of the plant. Plant Scan 3D opens up completely new possibilities for you. Existing buildings and process systems are recorded three-dimensionally by means of a laser scanner. The measurements are precise to the millimeter and can be used for plant design, wear measurement, or other kinds of inspections. Our industrial drones perform inspections of a whole new kind, quick and without expensive scaffolding or industrial climbers. The flight results are always documented and can subsequently be evaluated by our industry experts. With our customizable drones, we can mount different types of sensors, making it possible to carry out all kinds of inspections. Whatever can be seen from above, we can see and analyze it. PolDrive prolongs the service life of your drive systems. Combine our proven expertise in the field of drive analysis with regular checks of your production machines. This allows you to identify possible problems at an early stage. Serious damage can therefore be averted, and maximum availability of your plant is ensured. Non-destructive material testing methods are applied to test the current material properties of plant components that are particularly exposed to stress. This minimizes the risk of unplanned machine downtime and the associated costs in the area of preventative maintenance. With non-destructive testing, we examine the structural material properties of mill end walls, supporting rollers, tires, pinions, and similar plant components. In this way, cracks and inhomogeneity are reliably detected in order to prevent costly and lengthy production downtime. The data harvested from our process engineering inspections help you to optimize the processes in your plant to increase your production capacity or to adapt them to the current state of the art. Productivity, energy efficiency, plant availability, and emission reduction are the focus of our process technological inspections. Depending on the scope of the inspection, we determine the following characteristic process data: temperature, emissions, volume flow, material and gas consumption, pressure, and mass flow. The PolGrind service can cover the range of machining from small drums over tube mills up to big rotary kilns. Different systematic grinding and lathe machining processes allows us to perform this process during the full range of rotational kiln speed. Parts are being carefully machined, and this prevents the kiln from high vibrations, bad load distribution, and ensures a good kiln movement. In short, our PolGrind service significantly improves the operational reliability of your rotary kiln. Polycom Expert Wear Protection Service. Our specially developed equipment for profile care and refurbishment of the rolls. The service life, the feed material pull-in capability, the formation of autogenous wear protection, and the smooth running of the entire Polycom are all positively influenced by expert maintenance of the roll bodies. After all, only in this way can high availability and economical continuous operation be ensured. The training and development of personnel is a decisive measure when it comes to increasing the profitability of your plants and machines. With a custom-tailored technical training course, our experts systematically broaden your employees' know-how. The result? A clear boost in terms of safety and safe operations, as well as a lasting increase in motivation. Further, it leads to an increase in output and product quality, resulting in fewer cases of damage and improved plant availability. This was just part of our entire service portfolio. All services can be combined into a comprehensive analysis. Contact us and let us know what we can do for your plant's profitability. thyssenkrupp Polysius is your one-stop shop for innovative and reliable service solutions.